Hi, everyone. I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'm cooking my favorite dish. It's easy, super tasty, and fun to make. I won't tell you what it is just yet, but you'll see very soon. While we cook, I'll also teach you some useful English words and phrases. So, this isn't just food for your stomach, it's food for your brain, too. You'll hear real conversation, learn vocabulary, and maybe even get hungry. You can listen, repeat, and practice along with me. It's perfect for beginner and intermediate learners. Ready to cook with me and practice English? Let's get started. Jack, are you ready to help me cook?
I'm ready. What are we making today?
It's a surprise, but it's my favorite dish. You'll find out as we go. First, we need to prepare the ingredients.
Ooh, mystery. Okay, what do we need?
We need chicken, garlic, onions, tomatoes, rice, and some spices. Oh, and don't forget the oil and salt.
All right, chicken, check. Garlic, onions, got it. What should I do first?
Can you chop the onions and garlic?
Sure, but I might cry a little.
Everyone does. It's part of the cooking experience.
These onions are strong. My eyes are already tearing up.
Don't rub your eyes. Just blink a lot and keep chopping. I'll wash the chicken and cut it into small pieces.
Okay, onions and garlic are done. What's next?
Let's heat a little oil in the pan. We'll sauté the garlic and onions first.
Sauté? That means cook them in oil, right?
Yes, exactly. Just stir them in the hot oil until they're soft and golden brown.
I can do that. Smells good already.
Now I'm adding the chicken. We need to cook it until it's brown on the outside.
Should I stir it too?
Yes, keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan.
This is starting to look like real cooking.
Because it is. Okay, now we add chopped tomatoes. Can you slice them for me?
How many?
Let's do 3 medium ones. Just slice them small.
All right. Slice, slice, slice. Done.
Perfect. Let's add them in and give it a good mix.
I like how colorful it looks now.
Cooking is like art with flavors.
So now we add the spices?
Yes, a bit of salt, pepper, and my special spice mix. It has paprika, cumin, and a little chili powder.
Sounds spicy.
Just a little. It gives the dish a nice kick.
Nice. Should I stir again?
Please do. Now, we let it simmer for 15 minutes.
Simmer. That's when we cook it slowly, right?
Yes, on low heat. It helps the flavors mix together.
Okay. Now for the rice?
Yes, 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then cover it and lower the heat.
Boiling, then simmer. Got it. Cooking is all about timing.
Exactly. Let's clean up a little while we wait.
Good idea. This kitchen is getting messy.
Cooking is fun, but cleaning is part of the deal.
True. Okay, the rice looks fluffy. Want to check it?
Looks perfect. Let me taste. Mmm, soft and not sticky. That's what we want.
And the chicken?
Also ready. It smells delicious and the sauce has thickened nicely.
My stomach is growling.
Time to serve. Can you grab 2 plates?
Got them. How much rice?
1 big spoon for each of us. Then we pour the chicken and sauce on top.
This looks like something from a restaurant.
Wait until you taste it. Ready?
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Right? The sauce is the best part.
It's spicy, but not too much. So tasty.
And we made it together.
I feel like a chef now.
Haha, well, maybe an assistant chef.
Hey, I chopped the onions.
That's true. You were brave.
So, what's the name of this dish?
It's my version of chicken stew. Easy, spicy, and super delicious.
I'm saving this recipe. Can we cook it again next week?
Of course. But next time, you're chopping all the onions.
Deal. If you do the dishes.
Fine. Let's eat before it gets cold. And that's it. Our dish is ready, and our stomachs are full. And we learned some tasty English along the way. Now, let's take a minute to review some of the words we used while cooking. There were a lot of cooking words in that conversation, right? Don't worry. I'll explain them for you now, one by one. Chop. To cut something into small pieces. I chopped the onions. Slice. To cut something into thin pieces. Can you slice the tomatoes? Boil. To heat water until it bubbles. Boil the rice before cooking it on low heat. Simmer. To cook slowly at a low temperature. Let the chicken simmer so the flavors mix. Stir. To move food around in a pan with a spoon. Stir the onions until they are soft. Sauté. To cook food quickly in a little oil. We sautéed garlic and onions in the pan. Serve. To put food on a plate and get it ready to eat. Time to serve the rice and chicken. Delicious. Very tasty. This chicken stew is delicious. Try using these in your own kitchen and in English too. Let's see how well you remember the conversation. Try to answer these simple questions. What dish did Emma and Jack cook together? Can you name 3 ingredients they used? Who chopped the onions and garlic? What happened when Jack chopped the onions? What does simmer mean in cooking? How much rice and how much water did they use? What did Jack say about the smell of the food? What was in Emma's special spice mix? Who tasted the food first, and what did they say? Did Jack enjoy the dish at the end? Pause the video and say your answers out loud. Great practice! You did such a great job today. You listened, learned new vocabulary, and practiced real English conversation. And guess what? Every time you do this, your English gets better. 1 word, 1 sentence at a time. Learning a language is like cooking. You mix, taste, try again, and enjoy the process. So be proud of your progress. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And remember, English is not just a subject. It's a skill you use every day. Keep going and keep practicing. See you next time.